I'm actually going to be taking the What's up, YouTube? I'm actually going to show you guys how to install springs in the E90 M3. This is a 2009 specifically. I ordered Eibach springs along with the E36 bump stops in order to prevent the ride from getting harsh and also to get the ride height that I wanted. Oh, this is some real life stuff, okay? The trunk is not always empty. These are the Eibach springs. Purchased them through Tire Rack. Got it in like maybe a day. Well, they are in Indiana, but they're just really fast with shipping. That's why I love using them. I bet you guys are wondering why I'm not doing the install myself. Well, there's two types of people in this world. There's people that like to tinker with their cars and love to solve the issue, love to fix the problem. And there's other people that cause the problems and will create headaches. And for that specific reason, I bring my car to the shop, okay? I do basic installs and things like that. I'm sure some of you guys will consider this basic, but you know, for the time and for the headache, I'd rather just have someone do it and do it the right way. And I can go home, I can take care of things, and then when I'm done, the finished product is right in front of my face. It's not for everybody. I know everyone loves to tinker on the toys. I know you can save a ton of money if you just do, but you just have to balance it out, time versus money. All right, boys, enough explaining. Time to drive the car to the shop because I need this thing a little lower. I'll show you guys a good side view of how it looks right now, and so you can get a good idea how it is after. And I'll give you my opinion, stock versus Eibach. Oh, what the? Oh, come on. All right, well, this was supposed to be a car lowering video with the Eibach springs, but now it looks like my E90 wants to play some games with me. I'm not too concerned. It says increased emissions. I should go get the code red, so I'll stop by the auto store and kind of see what the code reader says, so that way I can tell the shop right now and hopefully try to fix it in time before I get the car back, because I do not want to drive this car with any codes. That's just, it feels weird, it feels broken, and it's just not my style. BMW, break my wallet, what's up? You notice that front wheel gap? That's what I'm trying to really close down, because the front is what's worse, but the back is gonna drop a lower amount as well, so that should really help out. And I kind of feel like I know increased emissions, the way the car's running, I have a feeling it's going to be the O2 sensor. We'll take a look, we'll find out. I'll let you guys know. So this is the car right now as it sits. Once it's lowered, I really think these Volks are gonna pop. I think it's gonna make the change that the car needs. All right, 21 minutes, I gotta get to the shop ASAP. What do you guys think? Do I test pipe the car? It's such a classy tone right now, and I honestly feel like if I do anything more, I might potentially add more rasp, or I might just make it obnoxiously loud. Right now it's very clean, but I just have a feeling the test pipe might make it that extra bit of noise that I'm looking for. But at the same time, I could be wrong and I might be pissed off afterwards. So that's why I don't really want to take a chance yet on searching YouTube high and low, just to see if I can find videos of people that already tested it, so I can kind of get an idea and see if that's the sound I'm looking for. I'm not sure how wind noise is going to pick up with this GoPro, so I'll probably just keep the windows closed just in case, because wind noise is almost impossible to get out of videos no matter what you do. I mean, I'm not a pro editor, so I really don't know if there is a perfect way to take it out, but for now it sounds like crap when I do it, so I'm going to try to avoid that wind. Just get a little downshift. Nice to me. No, this is dope. Alex is a really good friend of mine. He takes care of me. This is the E90. These are the E46s he's working on. He's even got a sweet ass GT3 Goals. God damn it. E46 M3. Yeah, I can kind of see us in one of these. Little Cayenne. Nice key. Feels like you're in a spaceship. A ton of freaking room. With the panel glass sunroof. What? I'm liking what I see so far. Where to start the car? Duh. On the left side. You knew. Very nice. Oh my god. Bet. Didn't I tell you? This gap is what we needed gone?
It's too low. Oh, my sky skirts are pretty.
You can't even fit a finger in there? Okay.
You're gonna be mad.
Gonna be compromised? Aren't you happy with the look now?
It looks good. But now I can't drive anywhere.
You're gonna have to learn how to drive. Does it look nice? Look, you got a lot of front bumpy things. Look. At least it's not bad. What do you think?
It's pretty.
Alright. Compared to stock, the car just feels so much more planted. Suspension is very compliant for daily driving. The ride height is perfect. It got rid of that gap that I hated in the front. Even minimized the rear. Just look at that roll. Yeah, it's perfect. So happy for that car, because I didn't want it as low as the F80, because the F80 does become a little bit more of a nuisance to drive, and I did not want that to be the case for my wife, because she would kill me.